this is Chris Kell with an example of a static stability circuit that we're going to use during one of our tempo recovery days. Alright, the purpose of the static stability circuit is not so much to get a set of ripped abs, but it's to establish and maintain stability throughout the year. In our higher loading workout days, we're doing core strength exercises such as rollouts, half get-ups, things of that nature that are higher load, training the outer core in nature. What we want to maintain, however, is static stability, meaning just the ability to stabilize in static positions and kind of work a little bit more on training sort of our inner unit, our stabilizer muscles. All right. So what we do once our clients are able to hold just a static plank, a side plank, and a basic dead bug position is progress to what we call offset positions. So I'll give you an example. For each of these exercises, we cue our clients to hold for 30 seconds. All right. I'm just gonna ask you to press into the ground. Think about keeping your shoulder blades down and back. Come into a very narrow position here. And once again, I'm cueing my client to keep their butt naps tight with the idea of working technique versus tightening up so much they can't breathe. Now I'm going to raise into a plank position. I'm thinking about keeping everything tight and just being able to take deep breaths in this position. All right, if I can perform this for 30 seconds, what I'm going to do is just reach out to the side, keeping my shoulder blade tucked in, pausing, holding in this position for a period of 30 seconds. And again, what this offset loading is doing is just creating a greater demand of the core. So we can raise one leg off the ground. We can just kind of train different chains in our body here to kind of focus on just different areas. And again, just maintaining stability. And generally we're going to perform just each static hold for a period of 30 seconds. So I might start out with a basic plank hold, and then move to one offset side and then the other offset side. The same idea can be applied to a side plank, where we're coming into this position, raising up, come into a point of 3-point support, within various limb positions here. And really, the sky is the limit in terms of your imagination. The key is that we're able to keep stability where we need it. The client is able to maintain deep breathing, and once again, we're just able to maintain core stability in this position. Our final position would be a dead bug position. This really, when we're looking at just stability, this is the starting point for most of our clients. If our client can't hold in a plank, we're going to start them in this dead bug position and just have them do a static hold, pressing their back into the ground, maintaining deep breathing. Again, from here, what we can start to do is extend out, again, maintaining that deep breathing, getting more complex with the way that we're performing shapes and patterns. And again, just holding in this spot. So pick either one dead bug or one plank exercise, followed by a side plank on either side. Really, and that's the template that we're looking at. Progress these by incorporating the limb positions as we discussed. 3 rounds of 30 seconds is generally what we'll do, and then we're going to move on to our next workout section.